Yeah.
Alright guys, it's your boy 300 Moper coming back with another video. Sure you guys probably had an idea that I was going to do this, but I was keeping it kind of a waiting until I actually had it in hand. Obviously you can see it's not even in the box no more. I've already installed it, but I'm going to show you how easy it is to install. You can't read that, it says this is the pedal commander. The pedal commander ain't no horsepower gainer, it ain't nothing like that. It's just literally, this fly don't get out of my damn car. It's just another way to pretty much open up all the power that you already had and instantly give it to you at your foot, like the second you touch the gas pedal. It's just pretty much turning your throttle response up, in other words. I'm just going to show you really quick how easy it is to plug in and how easy it was to install. I mean, this is literally I'm going to say this way. This is literally a 6-minute job, only because 5 of the 6 minutes you have to sit here and do absolutely nothing while you wait for the car to completely power down. So I'm going to explain that really quick, what I mean by that first. If you have a car where, you have push to start, which means you have a key fob, and that is it. You don't have a key, which is going to be a lot of these 2nd and 3rd gen Chryslers. You need to take your keys and bring them 35 feet away from the car. At least 35 feet, which, it's probably from where I'm sitting to that pole down there. Away. That's how far these keys need to be away from the car. So the second that you come out here, unlock your car, open your door up how I got it opened up, take those keys, go walk them 35 feet away from where you're sitting, or where the car's sitting, and leave them right there. Once you come, red jacket. Once you've done that, you're going to come back here, and you're literally going to sit here, wait till your dome lights inside the car shut off, which will be about 5 minutes, but they'll stay lit up like that. Once those shut off, if you look at your dash is going to light up one time and say something about push to start or whatever. It's going to light up, and then it's going to instantly power back down again. Once it completely powers down and all the lights turn off on your dash again, you're good to go. Then you're going to come down here, and there's going to be a little cover that's going to cover up right here. No worries. You can't even see that. Let me grab a flashlight. My video is going to be longer than the whole install is. Alright, give me a second. I'm almost there. There it goes. Alright, couldn't find the dang flashlight. Alright, now we can see up in there. Set this right here. Alright, so you see right about there. See the red plug-in? That is where your original wire is going to be plugged in at. You're just going to unclip it, pull it out, and then on the back of your pedal commander, there's going to be an additional wire right there. You're going to plug one end into that. It'll make sense to see the second you see it. This wire right here originally is plugged into that. So now it's plugging into this, and then the pedal commander wire plugs into your throttle. So, you see that there. Now I just put mine through the slot right here. It comes with some Velcro, so you can Velcro it right to your dash if you so please. That's just what I did. You don't have to do that. You don't have to put it there, but I just thought that seemed to be the best place for me. It was out of my way. My feet weren't going to be getting snagged on it or anything like that. So, now we did that. obviously I've already driven the car. I already know how this is. I'm going to drive it up and down. I'm at work right now, so I have this completely nice empty road to use to my advantage. So let's fire it up. The biggest thing with the waiting the 5 minutes is if you don't wait the entire 5 minutes for the car to power down, you're gonna get a check engine light that's gonna come on, and the car could go into like a limp mode or something like that as well. So you don't want to do that. This is the Bluetooth box as well. You can see it says Bluetooth right on it. I did not download the Bluetooth app. I don't really see no reason for it when all the buttons are right here. I can just easily adjust it right there without needing to use my phone. But to activate it, all you literally do, hit the little star. It's automatically going to go to city. Now I found city, and this plus right here is how you can add your, what you want, +2, +3, +4, or however you want to do it. I found that on City 3 was pretty responsive. So I mean, I kind of like that one. I'm gonna turn it completely off and take it down the little stretch here. I'll get on it from a dead stop and let you see the difference between regular, not powered on, and when it is powered on. So you see right here, just a nice empty stretch. Show you guys one more time. It's not on. Alright, now this is just going to be from a dead stop. I don't need everybody commenting saying, oh, your exhaust sounds like crap. Yeah, we already know that. I did that for a video, but that's to be changed later. Alright, so here we go. Alright. Now that was with nothing turned on. That's just completely, everything turned off and whatnot. Now I'm going to turn around here and we're going to go back up the street again, and I'll turn everything on, Sport Plus, and I'll put it on +4, which is, the top of the go-go. Alright, so you see me here? Push the power on. You just keep hitting the power button to select which one you want. Last one is Sport Plus. Hit this all the way to 4. Alright. Now I want to just throw this out there too for everybody that does watch the videos and whatnot. My reaction and how I tell you it's going to react is, might be completely different to how you think it is. But I just want whoever does decide to get it to know that when it is on this Sport Plus 4, it's a completely different car. I mean, it's so responsive that it's something that I would hope nobody would take advantage of, because I mean it's a different breed, that's for sure. The amount of difference, I guess you could say, in when it's not on versus when it's on Sport Plus is insane. How responsive it is, and could be very dangerous if you use it in the wrong way. But let's just get right into it. Less of me talking, and obviously let's just show you what I'm talking about, as you'll be able to tell, I think. So let's just go. You can see it's at 0. Now I know you guys can hear it. I know you can hear the tone of the pitch or whatnot. So you can tell right there that it's definitely a monster compared to, how it was. Ooh. And it's not easy to back up when it's on Sport Plus 4. Let me tell you that. The gas pedal is so dang touchy that it's hard to do little, maneuvers, because you're literally, the weight of your shoe is enough to accelerate it heavily. So if you guys liked it, and then I didn't show you that either. If you hit the button when it's on there, if you hit it one more time, that completely shuts it off. So now you're back to just your plain Jane car. If you want to go to eco mode, all you do is hold down the power button, and that'll put you on eco. Now, I ain't 100% sure, but I believe when you're on eco mode, if you try to go, pluses, I believe that's actually negative. So you're on -4 when you're on 1. So that's like, yeah, that's like very, very minimal response. Yeah, okay. So, yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that too, because it's something that I found out too as well. But if you guys did like this video, please do drop me a thumbs up. I know there ain't a lot of or any videos that I've noticed yet on the 300 with the pedal commander, but I recommend it. So if you guys decide you do get it, let me know what you guys thought about it compared to how I explained it. I wish I had recorded my reaction from the get-go, because I was quite blown away by it. But if you guys liked the video, like I said, make sure you hit the like button. Go ahead and leave a comment, and if you haven't already done so, make sure you subscribe. It does help. Like I said before, we get to 500 subscribers and I'm going to do a giveaway. So I know we're getting fairly close there, so let's get her up there and we'll keep on going. It's your boy 300 Mopar. Catch you in the next video.